Hello, you guys. This is Go Coach T. Just wanted to jump on real quick and do a quick video on education as pertaining to the education platforms that we offer. One of the things that we offer with Inspiring You to Greatness nonprofit corporation was our 26 bank approved education programs. These education programs consist of housing stability programs, which are based on social services in the needs of the people. Some people are in the need of mental health assessments. Some people are in the need of rental assistance. Some people are in the need of specific services like money, financial, or credit literacy education, whereas other people are more advanced and they're ready for job readiness training, and others are even more advanced. They're ready to learn how to purchase a home. So based on the level that you are at, the banks have different guidelines based on your income, such as a very low income person, which is anyone that makes below $36,000, a low to moderate income person, which is anyone that makes below $56,000, and a mid to moderate income person, which is anyone that makes below $85,000. This just gives you a breakdown of your category of how you're considered when it comes to CRA. Let's talk about what is CRA. CRA is Community Reinvestment Act of 1977 that states that banks have to invest in the communities in which they're chartered. What's a charter? A charter is basically the neighborhood. So if you have a bank at the corner of Main and First Street, then that bank is chartered in the area of that place is located. So that charter would be the location or the census tract in which that bank is located. And that is exactly how the banks have to invest their money. If they want to invest in Second and Fourth, but they don't have a location in Second and Fourth, then that's not considered an area where they're chartered. They can only invest in the areas in which they're chartered, which would be First and Main. So I want to break this down to where when you see these terms, you understand how they apply. What is low to moderate income? Well, low to moderate income is a determination that is based by HUD on how they determine what is HUD. Okay, some of these things you can Google. I just want to do a basic breakdown of the median income and how the median income is determined. So the median income is determined by HUD. HUD is a governmental agency, and each of these agencies, when you start at the top of the governmental agencies, you're going to go down from the governmental, which is federal, down to the state level, down to the local level. And the local level are typically the people that are providing the services, which would be the large nonprofits like the United Way and the Salvation Army, all the way down to the smaller nonprofits, which are bootstrap nonprofits that usually work in a specific census tract or county. That's going to be like Inspiring You to Greatness nonprofit corporation. Now, when we changed our charter from a nonprofit to a CDC, that is a community development corporation. Community development corporations are usually not just local, but they can touch several counties, several cities, several states, and even can go nationwide. So you start out as a nonprofit corporation and you build up to a community development corporation, which means you've proven yourself in certain areas and now you can widen your scope. So I just wanted to share some basic information and knowledge with you as far as how these programs are put together, who these programs are put together for, and why these programs are in existence. Why should you choose Inspiring You to Greatness for your education needs? Well, one of the reasons why I would suggest that you choose Inspiring You to Greatness as your education source is because everything that we have is designed with you in mind. Every course, every curriculum, every program, every vendor, every educator, everything is designed with you in mind. When I sit back and I look at creating a level of curriculum and I think about who it's for, I think about someone who wants to obtain education quickly, but master it at that same time. So you want to obtain this information, you want to understand what you need to know, you want to recognize the knowledge that's being obtained, and you want to be able to capture it in a way that you can understand and articulated in a way that you can share it with others. So all information that we are creating is easily duplicatable and easily transferable, which means you can easily receive it, you can easily share it, which means we're literally transferring the way we feel about the product, service, knowledge, or education, and we're transferring that information to you through this education platform. So that's why I would suggest you choose Inspiring You to Greatness.